Next word is, let's have our next verb, kasu. Kasu. Okay, it means to lend. Okay, to lend. So how about you will make it now a polite form? Let's try to answer everything. Let's try eto, Shinji.
Ay, kashimasu.
Negative.
Ay, negative.
How about the negative?
Kasanay.
Kasanay means, what is mean kasanay? To not.
To not lend.
Very good. The polite is?
Kashimasu.
Very good. How about the potential?
Kasemasu.
Okay, what is kasemas?
I can lend. Can
Okay, very
lend.
good.
Wala.
I can lend. Okay. How about this one?
Ano po yun, Sensei? Volition?
How about the volition? Yes.
Kaso.
Kaso. Okay. What is the potential again? Potential is?
Can lend. I can lend.
Okay, it means, what is that? In Japanese?
Kasemasu.
Okay, kasemas. Okay. Eto, 100,000. Can you lend me? Because you said kasemas.
100.
I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Okay. So we have again for our kaeso. Okay. So we said earlier for our kaeso is we're saying here, let's return something. Let's do it again for the negative. Jerome, negative.
Kaisanay.
Okay, to not return something. And the polite in the
To not
plain?
return. Kaishimasu. Kaisu.
Okay, good. And we have for our I can return.
Kaisemasu.
Okay, kaisemasu. Okay, I can return. Okay, I can return.
I can return.
Let's have watasanai, to not hand over. How about let's have the following, Japanese then English.
Watashimasu. To hand over.
Okay.
Polite
and the
form.
plain form is?
Watasu.
Very good, watasu. Okay.
Potential is watasimasu.
Watasemas, very good, watasemas. And then?
Watasu.
Is, I can hand over. I can hand over. How about the volition?
Watasimasu is I. Volition and let's hand over.
Very
watasu.
Good. Okay. Wata. So, okay. Wata. So, okay. Very good.
So,
let's have and we have two. So we have the correct one is tachi tsu teto. We don't say tati tu teto. Okay, these are wrong. So it should be chi and we have our tsu. So that is special. So let's have our word here. Let's have our word. Okay. Machimas. It means to wait. Okay. To wait. How about let's have this one. Ito, Jerome. Plain form of machimas. It will become?
Matanay.
Plain form.
Machimas.
Okay, so it will become?
Matsu.
Very good. It will become matsu. Okay, so it will just remain the same here. Matsu. Okay, how about let's have the negative. It means to not wait. So it will become?
Matanay.
Very good. So we will have our matanay. Okay, matanay. Okay. Okay, how about let's have here our, this one for our potential. You want to say, I can wait.
Matemas.
Okay, very good. It will become matenai. Okay, matenai. Hai, yoko dekimashita. How about let's have our negative, our volition here. You want to say, let's wait.
Mato.
Okay,
Mato.
mato. Okay. So, ibig
Mato.
sabihin, let's wait. Okay. Wakarimasu ka?
Okay. Hi, wakarimasu.
Okay, for our Nagyo now, we have our nani, no, neno. And there's only one verb for that actually, is we have our word, okay, shinu. Okay. Shinu, it means to die. Okay. So let's have Emma, can you complete everything? Then say it also the English.
She sensei.
Okay.
Shinanai.
Shinanai. Shinanai. What is shinanai?
To not die.
To not
To not
die.
die.
To not die. Okay. Okay, next one.
Shinimasu.
Okay. To die, that's the polite.
To die.
How about the potential?
Shinemasu.
Nax, ang sweet naman, no?
I
Kaya
can
ko
die.
mamatay para sa'yo. Mga ganun, no? Yung isa, kakahintay niya, no? I can wait. Then, kaya ko mamatay para sa'yo, no? Okay, next one.
Galing. Shino.
Ayan, kapag na-break up na siya, mamatay na tayo.
That's the...
Ayoko na sa earth. Shino. So, yun ang kanilang mga hugot, no? Yung mga verb natin, punong-puno ng hugot, no? Okay. So, what is our Magyo? Let's have Shinji. Magyo.
Hi. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Okay, very good. Moichido, eto, Emma.
Hi, sensei. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Okay. Now, earlier we talked about the shino, okay, to die. Sabi ng kaibigan mo, your friends, don't die, let's have a drink. Okay, let's have a drink na lang. Inom na lang tayo, no? Let's have a drink. Then, he says that for it to drink is become no more, okay? No more, it means let's drink. Okay. Now, how you will make it complete the other conjugations. Let's have Shinji. To not drink, it will become
no manai.
Very
no
good.
manai.
No manai. Okay. Yoko dekimashita. The next one.
No mimas.
Okay. No mimas. It will become no mimas. Okay. That is for the polite. How about the plain form? It will become
no mu.
Okay. No mu. How about I can drink?
No memas. No memas.
We have our no memas, okay? To have a drink. Let's change our verb now. How about eto, Jerome? Let's have
Yes, sensei.
Yomo, okay? Yomo, it means let's read. Let's read. So it will become negative.
Yomanai, to not
Very
read.
good.
Yomimas, to read. Yomu, to read din po.
Okay.
Yomemas, can read.
Okay, it will become can read. Hai, yoko dekimashita. Okay.
Sige po.
So that is for our Magyo. So let's have in this part, maybe you can relate or you know already some of the verb here for this our Ragyo. So let's have an example of our Ragyo. Okay, so let's have here our, okay, for our polite is we have our wakarimasu. It means to understand, okay? To understand. Let's have Emma, okay? Let's start from the negative.
Wakaranai.
Very good. To not understand or I don't
Not
understand. Okay. And then plain form.
Plain form. Wakaru.
Very good, wakaru. How about the potential?
Wakarimasu.
Okay, wakarimasu. And the volition?
Wakaru.
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 Wakaro. One more?
Wakaru.
Okay, good. But
Wakaro.
wakaro. Very good. But wakarimasu is actually exempted in potential. Okay, so there's not such a word of wakarimasu. Why? Because when you say wakarimasu, it indicates already your ability. I can understand. Naintindihan mo ba? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Because once you say you understand, that verb is already measures your ability to understand. So you don't say, yes, I can understand. You just only say, hi, wakarimasu. So there's not such a word of wakarimasu. This is exempted. Okay. Wakarimasu. Okay, Shinji, you have a question. Go ahead.
Opo. Ba't
Go
po
ahead.
may kapareho po ata yung re? Nahirigana din po. Para pong
Okay.
kapareho niya po yung ne.
Yes, ne. But they are different if we're going to write it. Okay. Let's go back here. Good question. Okay. So they have a different one. Let's go back with our ne here. Right. This is our ne. While our re is different. Okay. This is re. So let me show that to you, their difference. It's automatic. Okay. We have our ne here. So let's go here instead. But that's a good question. So we have our ne first here. And our re. Okay. This one. So they are different from each other, no? Wakarimasu ka?
Hi, wakarimasu sensei.
Okay. So those are like relatives. So we have also, how about this time? Let's try how to read this one. Okay. And this one, automatic. Can you read this one, Eto, Emma? Can you try to read this one, Emma?
Mahaba.
Uy, grabe, diba? Galing na sa mahaba, no? Mahaba, okay? So be careful because their reading changes, no? So they have their suffix here is the same, okay? Then our here, but when we have our 10-10, this is what we call 10-10, it will change the reading, okay? So those are one of the verbs that are some characters that almost the same. So let's have their relatives, okay, automatic. Okay, this one, okay. So but they are different from each other. Let's try to read this one, Napoleon. Napoleon-san, what character are this?
Hi, Sensei.
Okay, on the screen.
Wait. Di ko makita. Wait, ito. Is that,
The whole thing?
ha?
Maha.
Maha. Maha.
How about this one that is?
Di ko
This
na
one, what
alam
characters?
That's ho.
Okay, so it become ho. Okay, so it will become
Ho.
mahaho.
Mahaho.
Okay, mahaho. Okay, mahaho. So how about this one? Wakarimasu ka, Napoleon-san?
Hi, wakarimasu.
Okay, let's have another character. Check them out, okay? Okay, this one, let's try to read this one. Ito, Emma, again.
Mabaho, Sensei.
Ay, grabe ka, grabe. Sino mabaho ako? Grabe talaga to, no? Si Emma, no? Hindi, joke lang. Tama siya. Mabaho, okay? Okay, mabaho, okay? So it's also the same thing. You can remember these words because those words are almost the same, no? And we can easily remember that in Tagalog. So we have our understanding here, okay, or how we can pronounce those words. So we will have not confused with other characters. Okay, let's have other one. Okay, there are two characters here. As well. We have our row here. And the same one here is we have our root. Okay. Okay. So they're all, but they have no here. So we can remember this one in our story. Okay. Ito. Okay. So this one is like has ito. There's a ruby. Okay. There's a ruby here. Okay. So that's the reason it becomes root. That is a ruby. Okay, ruby. But what happened to this one? The ruby was robbed. Okay, so it was gone. Okay, ruby and then robbed. Okay. Okay. Next one we have this following characters. These are almost the same as well. Okay. These relatives. Okay. We have our ne, re, and wa. Okay, so this is wa. So be mindful of their characters. Next one, we have, ito. Let's try this one. We have for our E. This is our E. And then we have our Ri. Okay, almost the same too. Okay, so they're different from each other. Okay, E and then we have our Ri. Then our another misconception is we have our sa. Okay. And another one is we will have our ki. Ki, okay? Okay. So this is sa and then ki. But the difference of ki, it has two lines. Okay. So let's take a look how to answer first our torimas. For example, torimas, it will become our negative. It will become toranai. Okay, it means to not take picture. Okay, to not take picture. Then our torimas, okay, it will become here our E line. but the plain form is toru. It means to take picture. Okay, to take picture. Okay. But once we have our e here, it means can take picture. Okay, it will become toremasu. Okay, can take picture. Can take picture. Okay, can take picture. Then we have our o here. Okay, it will become taro. Okay, taro. Okay, so it means for our taro, let's take picture. Let's take picture. Taro. Okay, become toranai, toru, toremasu, and taro. Okay. Then we have here our torimasu. For the negative, it will become torimasen. Torimasen. Okay. The same meaning of our torimasen and toranai. But this one is polite compared to our toranai here. They have the same meaning. Then for our past tense here, torimasen, for our past tense, torimasu, it will become torimashita. Torimashita. Okay. But for our negative, it will become torimasen deshita. Torimasen deshita. So it means for the polite, we are adding for our present positive, we are making now our mas. For our negative, we have our masen. Okay. For our past tense, we have our mashita. Mashita. And for our negative past is we have our masen deshita. Masen deshita.